Today, we are in Exeter working for our client, a national house builder. So today's project, we'll be adding some support to a retaining wall which has suffered from some structural issues over a long period of time. The issue with this project is that it is located in 3 separate properties' land boundaries with very limited access. So we have devised a scheme where we can use one of our products, our resin piles, to strengthen and support the wall. Some of the key benefits and why our product was so suitable for this scheme. Our equipment and plant is very small and we can get it into very tight and restricted locations. There's no enabling works required with our product. The time of the project only took 2 days in total. The homeowners' gardens were also not damaged, and the homeowners could also stay in the properties while the works were taking place. These are all some of the key benefits of using our system. That's us all finished in Exeter today. Another job successfully done on time and within budget. If you think any of our products or services are of interest, please contact us today.